Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll discuss the most important correction of errors, that is bit number 12 in your board exam. ये most important correction of errors है and this is enough for tomorrow's exam.
Correct the underlined parts of the following sentences. First one, your informations are wrong. So information एक uncountable noun है, so we do not add an s to it. So your information आना चाहिए. And information is considered as one. So एक चीज़ के लिए हम लोग is helping verb use करते हैं, are नहीं use करते. So we have to write your information is wrong. Okay. Next one, he has bought expensive furniture. So furniture भी एक uncountable noun है. So correct answer is he has bought expensive furniture. Okay, without the s. Then children should learn the alphabets with joy. Again, alphabets is also an uncountable noun. So correct answer is alphabet. Okay, we should not add an s. Next one, he has deep knowledges of various fields. So knowledges is wrong because knowledge is again abstract thing and it is also uncountable. Okay, so that's why knowledge without an s. Fifth one, the sceneries of Darjeeling are very beautiful. So scenery is one. So scenery, correct spelling is S-C-E-N-E-R-Y. Okay, so the scenery of Darjeeling. Okay, so one scenery we are talking about. So why would we use are helping verb? We will use is helping verb. So the scenery of Darjeeling is very beautiful. Next one, keep your surrounding clean. अब surrounding यानी कि जो अतराफ़ की चीज़ें हैं वो एक से ज़्यादा होती हैं, सो इसलिए कीप योर सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन. ओके, सो जो है वो मार्च 2023 के पेपर में आया था. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, वी मस्ट एक्सप्रेस थैंक टू दोज हु हेल्प अस. सो हमेशा थैंक्स को हम लोग एस लगाते हैं. ओके, सो वी मस्ट एक्सप्रेस थैंक्स to those who help us. Next one, economics are an interesting subject. So economics एक singular thing है लेकिन हम उसे plural की तरह लिखते हैं, s लगाते हैं ना economics में. So वो है एक ही चीज़. So जब एक चीज़ की बात हो तो helping verb is होना चाहिए. So economics is an interesting subject. So this also came in March 2022 paper. Okay. Next one, athletics are an interesting स्पोर्ट. सो एथलेटिक्स भी सिंगुलर है लेकिन उसके साथ हम लोग एस लगाते हैं. ओके, सो एथलेटिक्स इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्पोर्ट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, द न्यूज़ ऑफ द अर्थक्वेक हैव स्प्रेड लाइक वाइल्ड फायर. अब अर्थक्वेक इज कंसिडर्ड एज वन, सो द न्यूज़ ऑफ द अर्थक्वेक हैज़ स्प्रेड लाइक वाइल्ड फायर. नेक्स्ट, मीजल्स आर एन इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज़. अब मीजल्स एक ही डिजीज़ है तो हम लोग आर हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं यूज़ करेंगे. करेक्ट आंसर इज मीजल्स is an infectious disease. Next one, ocean sands are not used for construction. So ocean sand uncountable है. ओके, सो हम लोग उससे s नहीं ऐड करेंगे तो यहाँ पर वर्ड सैंड्स भी रॉन्ग है. ओशन सैंड, ओके, विदाउट दी s. ओशन सैंड, अब एक ही चीज़ की बात हो रही है तो इज नॉट यूज्ड फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन. C.V. Raman's knowledges of all branches of physics are amazing. So यहाँ पर जो वर्ड है knowledges वो wrong है, वहाँ पर आना चाहिए knowledge because knowledge एक uncountable noun है and abstract concept भी है. Then of all branches of physics are amazing is wrong. It should be is amazing because एक इंसान की knowledge की बात हो रही है ना यहाँ पर. Okay. Next, there is a scarcity of man servants nowadays. So एक से ज़्यादा सर्वेंट की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर. स्कार्सिटी यानी कि कमी है ना. सो मैन सर्वेंट्स, एक से ज़्यादा जब आदमी की बात हो तो हम लोग मैन नहीं मेन यूज़ करते हैं. सो MEN आना चाहिए. सो देयर इज़ अ स्कार्सिटी ऑफ मेन सर्वेंट. नेक्स्ट वन, मेनी पासर बाइज ऑब्जर्व द एक्सीडेंट. सो पासर बाई नहीं होता, पासर्स बाई होता है. सो हमें PASSERS ऐड करना है. That is passers, then put a hyphen, then BY. Passers by. Next, mouses have spoiled the crop. Mouses यानी कि एक से ज़्यादा rats की बात हो रही है तो हम लोग mouse नहीं कहते, mice कहते हैं, MICE. Okay, so mice have spoiled the crop. Next, there are 5 women in the team. अब women यानी कि एक से ज़्यादा औरत की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर तो हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे women, WOMEN. There are 5 women in the team. No need to add s also. 18th one, my cousin brother is a doctor. So कज़न के साथ कभी भी ब्रदर या सिस्टर नहीं लगाना चाहिए, तो करेक्ट आंसर इज माई कज़न इज अ डॉक्टर. नेक्स्ट, वी शुड वॉश आवर फुट्स बिफोर कमिंग इन टू द हाउस. सो प्लूरल होता है फुट, तो हम फीट यूज़ करते हैं. सो वी शुड वॉश आवर फीट, FEET, बिफोर कमिंग इन टू द house. So don't add s to feet. Okay, feet is plural. Our feet. Next, he has many sheeps. अब sheep एक ऐसा word है जिसे हम s नहीं लगाते. ओके, वो अगर एक sheep भी है तो वो sheep है, एक से ज़्यादा है तभी वो sheep ही है. It's never sheeps. Next, one of my classmates are an army officer. जब हम कह रहे हैं one of my यानी कि एक, तो एक classmate की बात हो रही है ना, तो हम लोग classmates नहीं लगा सकते, क्लासमेट आना चाहिए, वहाँ पर एस नहीं आना चाहिए. सो वन ऑफ माई क्लासमेट इज एन आर्मी ऑफिसर. सो मेक श्योर यू चेंज योर हेल्पिंग वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिंगुलर्स एंड प्लूरल्स. नेक्स्ट, वन शुड रिस्पेक्ट हर टीचर्स. नो, वन शुड रिस्पेक्ट वंस टीचर्स. ONE'(S). ओके, नेक्स्ट, एवरी मैन आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस सिचुएशन. अब मैं कह रही हूँ एवरी मैन यानी कि एक एक आदमी की बात हो रही है, यहाँ पर एवरी मैन आना चाहिए यहाँ पर, और हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी हमें चेंज करना है. सो एवरी मैन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस सिचुएशन. हिज बोथ सन्स आर लॉयर्स. सो हिज बोथ सन्स एक रॉन्ग सेंटेंस है, हमें यूज़ करना चाहिए बोथ हिज सन्स आर लॉयर्स. सो ये भी मार्च 2023 के पेपर में आया है. Next, the principal and the chairman has attended the meeting. So यहाँ पर जो word है has वो wrong है, because यहाँ पर principal और chairman दो लोगों की बात हो रही है, यानी कि ये plural है, तो plurals के लिए हमें have लगाना होता है, HAVE. Okay, so the principal and the chairman have attended the meeting. Next, each of them were given a gift. सो ईच यानी कि एक एक इंसान की बात हो रही है, तो अब हम वो कैसे लगा सकते हैं, हमें लगाना होगा वॉज. ओके, जब सिंगुलर्स की बात हो तो वॉज लगाते हैं. प्लूरल्स के लिए हम लोग वो यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट, स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट अवेल द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. नो, करेक्ट आंसर इज स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट अवेल देमसेल्व्स ऑफ द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. द टू प्लेयर्स ब्लेम्ड वन अनदर फॉर द डिफीट. अब वन अनदर यहाँ पर गलत है, एक दूसरे को, ये हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं ईच अदर. ओके, टू प्लेयर्स है ना, सो द टू प्लेयर्स ब्लेम्ड ईच अदर फॉर देयर डिफीट. ऑल इंडियंस मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट ईच अदर. सो ऑल इंडियंस यानी कि एक दूसरे को, यहाँ पर ईच अदर की जगह पर आना चाहिए वन अनदर. ओके, ये भी बोर्ड एग्जाम में आ चुका है. नेक्स्ट, योर सेल्फ आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर फ्यूचर. सो योर सेल्फ नहीं आता, यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर फ्यूचर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. There are no less than 10 employed persons in their village. So no less than is wrong. यहाँ पर आना चाहिए no fewer than. Okay. Next, he and me are brothers. It's wrong. He and I are brothers. Okay. Next one, as there are only few students, I can interact with them easily. So few students है यहाँ पर, so a few students आना चाहिए, a लगाना है. Okay. Next, my all friends are very active. सारे दोस्तों की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर. All my friends are very active is the correct answer. Next, Gandhi is more truthful than any political leader. So any political leader की जगह पर हमें यूज़ करना है any other political leader. Next, this is taller than many buildings in Hyderabad. So this is taller than many other buildings in Hyderabad. Okay. Next, Raghu is my older brother. No, Raghu is my elder brother. Next, the streets of Hyderabad are wider than Warangal. So correct answer is the streets of Hyderabad are wider than those of Warangal. Next, Suma is an popular anchor. This is wrong. Suma is a popular anchor because popular is a consonant sound first. Next, I waited for a hour. So a hour is wrong. I waited for an hour is correct. Sun rises in east. So sun specific है. So the sun rises in the east. East भी specific है. Next one, onions cost ₹20 kilogram. So correct answer is onions cost ₹20 a kilogram. Next one, they are staying in the same flat for the last many years. Correct answer is they have been staying in the same flat for the last many years. Next, how long are you waiting here? Correct answer is how long have you been waiting here? Next one, he is interested to do a job. No, he is interested in doing a job. Next, they have moved to the new house last week. So correct answer is they moved to the new house last week. Next, he is having many imported clothes. He has many imported clothes. As soon as I open the doors, the birds fly away. So correct answer is as soon as I open the door, the birds flew away. Next one, if I will stand on my own legs, my parents will feel happy. Correct answer is if I stand on my own legs, my parents will feel happy. Next, if you consult me, I would have advised you what to do. Correct answer is if you had consulted me, I would have advised you what to do. Next, he is visiting the library daily. So correct answer is he visits the library daily. Next, he walks very fastly. Correct answer is he walks very fast. Next, we don't hardly believe it. So correct answer is we hardly believe it. Next, they don't do anything careful. Answer is they don't do anything carefully. She scarce attends classes. She scarcely attends classes. Next, the property was divided between the 4 brothers. So between is used when you're talking about between 2 people. But here 4 brothers. So more than 2 means you have to use among. So the property was divided among the 4 brothers. Next, I prefer fruits than sweets. So over here you're giving preference of one thing to over the other. So that time you have to use 2. So I prefer fruits to sweets. Next, he is afraid with darkness. So with darkness is wrong. So when there's a connection between 2 things, we use of. Okay. So he is afraid of darkness. Next one, we entered into the hall to watch the play. Correct answer is we entered the hall to watch the play. Beside being a poet, Tagore is also a short story writer. Correct answer is besides. Okay, we just have to add an S to it. Next, either you must take up a job or start a business. Correct answer is you must either take up a job or start a business. Next, neither she drinks tea nor coffee. Correct answer is she drinks neither tea nor coffee. Sheila is as proud like a peacock. Sheila is as proud as a peacock. They asked me that where SBI was. Correct answer is they asked me where SBI was. They asked me what was my name. Correct answer is they asked me what my name was. Next one, this article is made with cotton. This article is made of cotton. We look forward to meet the minister. We look forward to meeting the minister. Okay. Next, I know them for the last many years. Correct answer is I have known them for the last many years. Next, why is she hating classical music? Correct answer is why does she hate classical music? It is raining since yesterday. Correct answer is it has been raining since yesterday. I am good in English. I am good at English. If cleanliness will be maintained, we will be healthy. Correct answer is if cleanliness is maintained, we will be healthy. We had seen them 2 weeks ago. We saw them 2 weeks ago. Next, the river has overflown its bank in many places. Correct answer is the river has overflowed its banks in many places. Next one, he has hanged his coat on a nail. Correct answer is he has hung his coat on a nail. Next, all banks are open from 10:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Correct answer is all banks are open from 10:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Next one, he is not an expert in grammar, isn't it? Correct answer is he is not an expert in grammar, is he? Last one, children are fond for chocolates. So when there's a relationship, we use of. So there's a relation between children and chocolates, so we have to use of. Children are fond of chocolates. Stay tuned, I'm uploading more videos regarding most important other topics of grammar. And you can always check out my playlist if you have any doubt. Just clear it off and write well. All the very best for tomorrow's exam.